In this third part of the tutorial, we will focus on the information you can see if you log in the program as admin or as user and how to set a timesheet. As already seen, you can access to the login page with your credentials. The administrator defines which kind of information users can access. On the project page, you can find an overview of the project itself. In the menu on the left, you can select Work Packages and then click on the ID of the work package to have some more details. From this page, you can access to Log Time button. You can enter the activities performed, completing the form related to the work package. In the main page, under Estimates and Time link, you can have a look at the work time per user by clicking on the Spend Time button. You can check in detail the worked time together with other important information in order to set the timesheet. The data entered will be visible within Budget section both as general data and detailed data. Leaving the user profile and log in the administrator profile, you can find the cost report in the menu on the left. In the form displayed, you have to enter the required data, name of the project, dates, and the name of the user. Then you can access the table relating to the activities carried out by the employee and his labor cost. If you want, you can save this table to access it later and directly. Unfortunately, this table cannot be printed, but you can make a screenshot of it. You can have a constant update of the project status by choosing System Setting from the menu on the left and from the Email Notification tab. It is possible to define what you want to be notified. Not all operations are available by default, but using plugins from the menu on the left, you can access to a wide range of possible extensions. Thank you, and follow www.generativity.eu for more updates on EU project management.